Before mid-October 2020, the Mojave River was a formidable river crossing. Depths would range from 3 to 4 feet. This is supposed to be the grand finale of the 130-mile Mojave Road Overlanding Trail. As crazy as it may sound to most people, the Mojave River Crossing was one of those things people looked forward to, especially overlanders. This was a rite of passage. Nowadays, the crossing is less than a foot deep. This entire river crossing was filled in by the railroad crew. They dumped a bunch of 4-inch rocks to make it more convenient for them to go back and forth to provide maintenance to the railroad. So does that mean that any vehicle could make it across the Mojave River? No, not exactly. It appears that filling in the original river crossing has made the water rise in this section. And this place was bone dry just 6 months prior. In this episode, we're going to go back in time, 2 days before the river got filled in. Dude, wait, stop! Are you gonna do it?
No.
Okay.
No,
because if you did, like, the water would be up to, like, right here.
No, I was just messing, because nobody was going, so
You're thinking about it? It's definitely the lowest I've ever seen it, and it looks like it got to Nori's running board. My guess is, let's see. Huh? Yeah, right. You might take in some water. How good are your gaskets? All right, Artem's thinking about it. Where's my alternator located? Let's see. This is the lowest I've seen this thing. So if you're gonna do it, if you want this on your...
Alright.
I hear... Okay, I will go. I hear that the left side is not as deep. Left side is not... That's what I... Yeah. Mountain Roo. Ulia. Left. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Dang. Now we gotta find out, did he take on water? Did he take on water? So I hear if you stick to the left, it's not as deep. But don't quote me on that. I mean, you know,
does he have a winch? Do we have any recovery gear?
the Gladiator has a winch.
It does. Okay.
Yeah. Oh jeez.
There's fish.
Good luck. Good luck, friend. Okay. Yeah, left isn't as deep. Look at that, it's hardly even in his wheel well. All right, there you go. Left is the way to go.
So left is better?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna take a record. All right, what do you think? Should I do it or not?
Yeah.
Stay left, right? No, no.
Oh, we're doing this.
No, we have no option because we were the last ones.
Yeah,
All right. So is it still
You
recording?
gotta be 6, bro.
Yeah. All right. There's a wave. It's not doing it.
You lost power?
Yeah.
Because you're up to the door. Oh, there's water coming up.
Is it?
Yeah.
No.
Winch time.
Alright, who wants to get in the water?
I'll do it.
I was gonna say John is the one that pushed it.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me change the water shoes real quick. Oh wait, he's going. He's going.
Ooh, there's some water here.
What? That was weird.
We need a cup.
What? It was coming in?
Yeah. I don't
It
know.
stopped. It wouldn't go. And then all of a sudden it got power again and it went. It was the
Yeah,
weirdest
it was
thing.
high up, huh? Yeah, I need some cups.
Taking some water?
Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
Is this front plate still on?
That was super cool. I never ever thought I'd cross the Mojave River, but it was low enough to where I thought it was now or never. Now, before I end this episode, I just want to talk about the situation at the present day, or at least March 2022. So, the Mojave River is mostly underground, and I guess because the river was filled, it now has diverted more water to this crossing. And actually, you'll see part of this right under the bridge. This is now covered in water, and previously it was not. At the very most, it was just a big puddle. I did some searching on YouTube and came across this channel called Send It With Spence. So shout out to him. The link to his video will be in the video description. Actually, I'll link it up at the top right as well. And it shows here, this is just a month ago in January of 2022, end of January, that it looks like it's about 3 feet deep. Or just a little under 3 feet deep. Because my guess is his Jeep has 35-inch tires, at the very least 33s. But I think they look like they're 35s. Because when the wheels fill in the wheel wells like that in a Jeep, they're a larger tire. And so yeah, you can see here that it's about a foot deeper than when I attempted this in May of 2021. So anyways, that about does it for this episode. One of the reasons why I made this video is because we're doing another trip out to the Mojave Road. Sorry, it's kind of full. That would be an understatement. There's a lot of people going. So I don't publicize these trips. If you could figure out how to go, then more power to you, and you're more than welcome to join. But anyways, this is going to be one of the obstacles on the trip, and I hope everyone knows what to expect. You could bypass this. You just have to drive 8 miles north over to Interstate 15, and you could bypass it. But I would recommend traveling up to this point because Afton Canyon is a beautiful place, and there are points of interest that you don't want to miss out on, like Spooky Canyon and all the different water crossings and puddles. So anyways, I look forward to the trip, and hopefully if you plan on making your own trip, you find this video useful. And again, shout out to Spence for making his video. This gives us an idea of what to expect. So until next time, have fun on your adventures.